Ever had a date go wrong because you missed a tiny detail? In 1031 exchanges, overlooking small details can have big consequences. Welcome back, guys. I'm Amit Grover, and you're watching ECMP Studios. Today, we're going to go through the minefield of common pitfalls in 1031 exchanges so your investment journey doesn't blow up in your face. One major pitfall is missing deadlines. Just like in dating, timing in 1031 exchanges is everything. Fail to identify your replacement property within 45 days or close within 180 days, and your tax deferral dreams could vanish faster than a ghosted date. Another trap is picking the wrong property. Not every investment property qualifies for a 1031 exchange. It's like thinking you're dating someone exclusive when they're not really the one. Make sure replacement property is like kind and intended for investments or business use to avoid an awkward tax situation. Also, watch out for the boot. Receiving cash during the exchange or ending up with less debt on the new property can attract immediate taxes. It's like expecting a romantic evening and ending up at a fast food joint. Definitely not what you signed up for. Next time, we'll bring you real-life examples of successful 1031 exchanges. Learning from others' victories can pave the way for your success, just like getting a good dating advice. Got a pitfall story or a question about avoiding them? Comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep with all our real estate insights. Need more detailed guidance? Reach out to us. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and always keep it real. Estate.